In a narration found in Jamia Tirmizi, number 2346, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that whoever wakes up in the morning safe from danger, healthy and having food for the day, is as if the world was gathered for them. In this day and age, where many people around the world are living in unsafe countries, a Muslim who has been blessed with safety should make use of it by using their freedom to obey Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. For example, they should take advantage of journeying to the mosques for the congregational prayers and religious gatherings of knowledge. In addition, Muslims should extend this sense of security to others, irrespective of their faith, so that the whole society becomes secure from danger. In fact, according to a narration found in Sunan and Nasai, number 4998, a person cannot be a true Muslim or believer until they keep their verbal and physical harm away from a person and their possessions. Simply put, a Muslim should treat others in the same way they desire to be treated by people. A Muslim must take advantage of their good health by obeying Allah, the Exalted, as it is a blessing which is often only truly appreciated until it is lost. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6412. Those who make good use of their good health by obeying Allah, the Exalted, will find that they will receive His support when they eventually lose their good health. For example, the one who falls sick will receive the reward for doing the same righteous deeds they used to do when they were healthy, even if they no longer do them because of their sickness. This has been advised in a narration found in Imam Bukhari's Adab al-Mufrad, number 500. But those who fail to make use of their good health are unlikely to receive this support. It is important to note, making use of one's health includes striving in this material world in order to fulfill one's needs and the needs of their dependents, while avoiding extravagance and waste. One of the major concerns of a person is their provision. A Muslim should remember that it was allocated to them over 50,000 years before the creation of the heavens and the earth. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6748. The one who obtains their daily provision should concern themselves with their other duties and plan for tomorrow without stressing, as their provision is guaranteed. Finally, the main narration also encourages one to adopt a simple lifestyle, as this leads to peace of mind and body. The more one strives for the unnecessary aspects of the material world, the more they will stress. For example, the one who owns one house will have less stress and things to deal with than the one who owns two houses. This is why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, has advised that simplicity is a part of faith. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 4118.